Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learning with Fun 64. In today's video, I am going to tell you about how to add two numbers within 10 using 10 frame. So what is a 10 frame? 10 frame is a frame in which you have 10 boxes, 5 up and 5 down. So basically when you're going to give a concept to your kids, told them that it is a frame. It is like a frame and it has 5 boxes up and 5 boxes down, and 5 plus 5 makes 10. So if we're going to add numbers within 10, we will use only one 10 frame, and if you're going to add numbers within 20, we will use two 10 frames, right? So I have one 10 frame with me over here because today we are just going to learn about addition within 10. Let's say if I have a question that is 5 plus 3, what is the answer? आज हम तीन मेथड लर्न करेंगे कि अगर आपको आंसर इज गिवन तो हाउ टू फाइंड द क्वेश्चन. If the whole question is given, then how to find the answer. So first of all, we're going to learn about if the two numbers in the questions are given, like 5 plus 3, when we add them, what will be the answer? So don't forget to tell your kids that we have two numbers, so we're going to use only two colors counters. You can take any of the counters, like you can take ice cream sticks, or you can take um, buttons, or you can take beans, but make sure that they are of different colors, not multicolors. They should be of two different colors. That's it, because we're going to add two numbers, so that's why I'm going to use only two colors. All right, so I have black and red with me. So for number 5, I'm going to use black color, and for number 3, I'm going to use red color. What is the purpose to use two colors? Because the kids can differentiate the numbers and they will be able to count them properly, that how many were the black and how many will be the other, the 3 number. Let's say I have 5, so I'm going to put 5 counters in the 10 frame. Now how to put it? The main question is how to use the 10 frame. You have to use it vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ask your child to put the counters vertically, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what is the next number? Next number is 3. So I'm going to put 3 red counters. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. This was the first method we use to do addition, in which the whole question is given, that is 5 and 3. Now let's do another method in which